Hello. In this video we are going to take a look at EA-PSM, the direct current calculations module. Particularly, we will work with this photovoltaic system. Any photovoltaic system has inverter, and here we have the inverter as well. I will double click on the inverter and open DC inverter parameters window. Here in the parameters window I can specify DC inverter model. I can actually choose one from the broad library which we have, or I can create my own model and use it for the calculations. Also, it is possible to specify inverter output voltage, and some of these inverters will have maximum power point tracking functionality. Therefore, this voltage will allow for the user to analyze different working modes of the solar power system. Now we can analyze what are the parameters which we have in DC cables. And as we can see, software asks me to specify length of the cable. Again, I should choose one of the models from the library of cables, and also specify the operating temperature of the conductor. These three parameters will be needed for calculation of resistance, and resistance is the main parameter in the DC network. Now we can take a look at photovoltaic module. By double clicking on it, I will open the parameters window, and here I can see that for the photovoltaic module I should specify again the model. I can choose one from the library, and also the solar irradiation, which will specify the working conditions of the photovoltaic module. I can specify solar irradiation as 1 point, or I can specify the time series of different solar irradiations at different time moments. As I have my network specified, now I can perform DC flows calculations. So for this I will use DC power flows functionality in the software, and it will allow me to get the results of DC currents in the network, voltage losses in the cables, as well as absolute voltage in the nodes of my network. Also, I can calculate AC power flows and estimate what is the power generation from my photovoltaic system. It is about 2.7 kilowatts now. If I will go and check the photovoltaic modules, I will find that these provide me the information about the working point of the module. The orange line here shows the working point, the voltage, and also what is the power generated by particularly this module. In the network we can also calculate DC short circuits, and for this I will select the DC short circuits icon here. I will just simply push on one of the buses. When I'll do this, the software will provide me with the information of short circuit currents from one branch, which is about 1.6 kiloamps, and from another branch, which is about 8.2 amps. So this is how user can do calculations in DC network of EA-PSM software. Thank you for your time. For more questions, please contact Energy Advice team.